you'll see that guys who have real money, they will not use a debit card. And not because they're not using a debit card because they don't have the cash. They use the kind of a credit card that you pay at the end of the month, not the kind of a credit card that you're like, hey, I'm going to, you pay off. People have credit cards that they pay at the end of the month. Every month we have, one of our credit cards we pay, I don't know what the number is every month, $400,000 or $500,000 per month that we pay off because it's like a business credit card, but we have to pay it every month. It's not rolling, right? And the reason for that is protection, because you don't want your debit card number out there. That's what you don't want, because that can be hacked into your cash where the money's at. So that's the only argument against debit, is to use credit that you pay at the end of the month.